Hey there, space enthusiasts! Today, I'm diving into something truly out of this world, literally. How Blue Origin is shaping our planet's future. Ready to blast off? Let's go. First up, let's talk about the big vision. Blue Origin, founded by Jeff Bezos, isn't just about sending people to space. It's about ensuring our long-term survival. Their mission? For the benefit of Earth. Yeah, you heard that right. It's about making life better right here on our home planet. Now you might be wondering, how does space travel help Earth? Let's break it down. Blue Origin is working on reusable rockets. And these aren't just any rockets, we're talking about the New Shepard and the massive New Glenn. Reusability means less waste, lower costs, and more frequent missions. Picture this. Rockets that land themselves so they can be used again and again. It's like recycling, but on a cosmic scale. But here's where it gets even cooler. Blue Origin isn't just about rockets. They're developing technology to tap into the vast resources of space. Imagine mining asteroids for metals, or harnessing solar energy in space and beaming it back to Earth. This is the kind of innovation that could solve energy crises and reduce our reliance on Earth's limited resources. Think about it. By offloading heavy industry to space, we could significantly reduce pollution here on Earth. Cleaner air, less deforestation, and a healthier planet. Now that's a future worth investing in. But Blue Origin isn't stopping there. They're also working on lunar landers for NASA's Artemis program. The goal? To return humans to the moon and establish a sustainable presence. This isn't just about exploration, it's about creating a stepping stone for future missions to Mars and beyond. And let's not forget the educational impact. Blue Origin's Club for the Future is inspiring the next generation of scientists, engineers, and explorers. They're engaging students with space-themed challenges and opportunities to send postcards to space. Talk about igniting young minds. So there you have it. Blue Origin is not just a space company, it's a vision for a better, more sustainable future here on Earth. From reusable rockets to mining asteroids and beyond, these innovations have the potential to transform our world. If you're as excited about this as I am, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more cosmic content. Until next time, keep looking up.